case if you dey do physics and this gravitational field formula dey confuse you, no worry. Today we go break am down like garri. I go lie for you. So before this video go end, you go know how to calculate gravitational force between two between two objects. No dey fear. You no go even fear before. Well, I go lie for you. Watch wetin I wan do now. First thing, I go divide this board into three. Why I wan do am like that? See my plan. Which kind line be this one I dey draw like this now? Make I see whether I fit clean am. I wan show you something. I wan divide the line into three so that I fit do this thing step by step the way I want make you understand am. If I put this one as the first line, second line, I go use this side as rough to carry the show you something, then use this two side carry solve. Might increase this particular line. So wetin you go do now? The question say two objects of masses 80 kg and 70 kg are separated by the distance of 0.2 meters. So na distance be this particular one wey dey here. See the first mass, see the second mass. Pay attention o. If the gravitational constant, they don tell you say this one na gravitational constant, see the units, Newton meter square per kilogram square. Calculate the gravitational attraction between them. The gravitational attraction between them na the gravitational force be that wey we dey talk about o. Remember this particular law, the force of attraction, e no get repulsive force. Na only the force of attraction between two masses m1 and m2 wey dey directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance apart. Na that thing na im bring that formula wey you dey see F equal to capital letter G m1 m2 over r square. If your eye don see this formula before for physics, just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Na me and you dey do something here. You shock am. Okay, so they don give us everything wey we suppose know inside this particular question. So and na this formula na you go carry run am. Remember say this F dey talk about the gravitational force wey you dey find. Even though they say gravitational attraction, na the gravitational force be that wey dey attract the whole thing. G here na the gravitational constant wey don tell you say na 6.67 times 10 to the power of minus 11. M1 na im be this particular one. This guy na M1. This one na M2. M2. This guy na distance. Distance, most time we dey use arrow for this particular one. We dey use arrow as our distance. Remember this one na im be the gravitational force. You see say everything don finish. Na to pack everything. This one na im be the G. Na to pack all these things wey I just show you now, put inside this formula. You don finish work with that o. I no even need to begin use this particular part wey I bin wan use before. Oya na make you put the answer quick so that we go do another question. If you need more questions, just dey let me know. So wetin the formula dey talk about first? Make you just quickly finish that one before we start to solve. This formula dey say the force wey two objects take attract each other, e dey depend on the masses. I mean those two mass dem, and then the distance wey dey between the two masses. So the distance wey separate these two masses na im be all these things wey I just talk about. If the mass big, the attraction go increase, but if the distance far, the attraction go reduce. This talk wey I talk now, e dey come for objectives. Take am seriously, no carry am play. May I repeat am? If the mass is big, the attraction go do wetin? E go increase. But if the distance dey far, the attraction go wetin? E go reduce. So now we don get the M1 already. M1 say na 80 kg. Remember say mass dem dey measure am for kilogram, especially for physics. So if na chemistry na for grams, na im dey take this talk wey I talk seriously. So M2 na wetin? M2 na 70 kg. The next one na arrow. Wetin be arrow? Arrow na 0.2 meters. Then the G, gravitational constant, na wetin? 6.67. Some textbook go fit write am 6.7. E no be problem o. Use am solve like that. The one wey dey give you na you go use solve. But you go know how to use calculator. I no fit get space write unit here, but already you don see the unit dey already for this particular place. So wetin you wan do now? You go just substitute everything here, carry everything here, pour inside the formula. Make we do am quick for this one. F equal to your G na wetin? 6.65, 6.67, 6.67. You sef begin dey write am. I don understand everything I wan do. Dey write am down for your book. Try solve before me. Put the answer for comment section. Times M1, M2, M1 na 80 now. See M2 na 70. So 80 times 70. 80 times 70. You go divide everything by the distance, maybe 0.2. See, you as student they make mistake. They go put this 0.2 because say na the value for the distance be that. Remember, we dey use arrow for distance for this particular topic. But then they go forget say the formula carry square. They can't forget the square. Abeg put the square o. Because if you forget an idea where the matter take be, you go shock see the option go even dey sef, even as you forget the square. This people dey know wetin dey do. So make we no rush o. First multiply the two masses. If you multiply 80 by 70, shey you know say I go still dey repeat this one. I never use am. 6.67 times 10 to the power of minus 11 times 80 times 70. Normally 8 times 6 na 56. So you just add the two zeros, join am. You see shortcut. I go lie for you. So 5600 na be 80 times 70. Then 0.2 squared mean na 0.2 times 0.2. If you multiply 0.2 times another 0.2, remember 2 times 2 na 4. The two zeros now will just become 0.04. Try am, you go see say na the same answer I go give you. 0.2 square meaning 0.2 times 0.2. Now give me this 0.04. You don't grab abi? I dey take am step by step, you no confuse. Now, wetin I go do now be say I go multiply this 6.67. I never even dey talk about the power because you know say I no dey get calculator here. So may I use the side do am because time no dey again. F now go be equal to 6.67 times 5600. I never even talk about this one. No. If you use this one multiply by this one, you go get 37352. Then multiply by this one wey you never touch, 10 to the power of minus 11. Then wetin you can do, divide am by this 0.04. Now step by step, how you no go do mistake, now they do so. F now go be equal to, now be the almost the final part now. If you use this particular one, if you use all this way there now, if you punch all these things for calculator and use and divide by this particular denominator, you will get 9.338 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Wetin be the unit of force? Talk now. Wetin be the unit of force? You know sabi am? Some of una don sabi am na Newton. Good. If you want place this answer in two places, two decimal places, just say F now will be equal to, for two decimal places now these two are supposed to use, but then see this number it pass 5, and then when you from 0 to 4 you no go round up, but from 5 to 9 like this one now you don't pass, you don't add 1 to this particular 3, so it can be 9.34 times 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton. So if I no get 10 to the power of minus 6 because you know sabi use calculator divide. If you be that kind of person, let me know for comment section. I will do another tutorial we will show you how to use calculator carry divide, how you sabi use calculator well because some students go sabi solve something, but when you reach to compute, na problem can't come aside. So the gravitational attraction between the two objects na this particular 9.34 times 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton. Is small well. This particular is small well because gravitational constant G itself small die. Check the value now. This one small. It's small. So now why two human beings no dey pull each other like magnets, even though gravitational force dey between them? I go lie for you. So if this particular explanation clear for you, I beg like this particular video, drop comment and subscribe because I go dey break down physics, calculus and engineering maths for simple pidgin English for now. If you dey prepare for 100 level exams, JUPEB, pre-degree or even post-UTME exams for science, so this particular channel go help you well. It go help you. Even na JAMB you dey prepare next year or WAEC, it go help you well. SS1 to 3, it go help you. I no go lie for you now. Now till next time now I will come for another one with that. If you tell me for comment section how you want me be, I go run am for you. Enjoy yourself. Instructor Alison, name be my name. Share this video.